Hi guys, let's see how to do this issue where we want to capitalize only the first letter of a sentence and rest of it should be in lowercase, because for capitalizing every word first letter we have a function we all know, proper, where proper capitalize the whole sentence in a capitalized case. But what happens in this case, that every first letter of every word also gets capitalized. But what if we want to capitalize only the first letter? So we will use this formula in this case. Okay, just replace even with the column the cell value. Okay, so I have copied and pasted this in the description of this video. Just paste it, just copy and paste it from there, and you can see that it has capitalized only the first letter. Okay, but now let's understand this, how it is doing this. Okay, so what it is doing, the first thing is we can see the formula left A1 1. Okay, let's learn it by this. Left A1 1. So what it is doing, it is extracting the first character of this A1. A1 is the sentence and the first character is H, small h. Okay, so it is extracting it, first character H, and it is converting it to upper, okay, uppercase. And then we have typed this. What it is doing, it is concatenating. This is adding this string with another string. And what is this string? So this string is mid A1 to len A1 minus 1. So what it is doing, the mid function is extracting A1 from the second character, and how many characters? The length of A1 minus 1. Okay, so let's say the length of A1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the space, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27. And it is going from the second character till 27 minus 1, 26 character. Okay, so it is just skipping the H, and from there it is going till this. Okay, so this whole string will be there after H, and it is converting that to lower and then concatenating with the uppercase first character, adding it. That's it. So that's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek Page.